Let's do a simple work makeup with only Maybelline products. I have all my stuff here. Let's get started. For foundation, I'm going to go with the Superstay Active Wear. And the shade doesn't match because this is my winter shade. But look how flawless my skin is already looking. We're going to contour / bronze with this Fit Me Concealer in the shade 50. I just realized I didn't pick up a bronzer. And this is pretty light. Okay, it's actually not too bad. I'm liking it so far. So I would say so far, so good. For concealer, I'm going with the Superstay Concealer. We'll have to go ahead and apply some more. It's not giving me the coverage I want. The coverage is definitely light to medium. It's not full coverage. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Fit Me Translucent Powder. This used to be my go-to powder when I used to be in college. And it is still as amazing as it was before. Look at the difference. I'm pretty happy how this is all coming together. For blush, I'm going to use this Fit Me blush in the shade 25. I have never tried their blush before, so this will be my first time. Here we go. It's barely there. Let's try again. I love lots of blush all the time. And okay, it's pretty okay now. I mean, it's a beautiful shade, but you need a lot of product to make it work. I also got this palette, but I don't think I want to do anything to my eyes because this looks pretty good. So I might film a different tutorial on this. I normally do not do highlighter when I go to work, but we're gonna add some today, and this is the Master Chrome highlighter. This used to be one of my most favorite highlighters. Look at how pretty this is. I mean, you cannot go wrong with it. But tell me I'm not glowing. Okay, for mascara, we're gonna go with the Curl Bounce Mascara. Look at the difference. This is one coat on. Okay, this is the first time I tried this mascara, and I should say I really like it. I really like it. It's applying beautifully. I'm gonna line my lips with the Color Sensational lip liner in the shade 120. And I'm gonna go with the Superstay Lip Crayon in the shade 160. And this is the final look. Let me know if this was helpful and if you're gonna recreate it.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun.